that's a buffalo. Yeah, it is. Look at him on straight for the street. He did it. So I'm keeping pressure on him. So there's a trick to pulling him off that tree. He hit it. He got in it. There he is, right there. Stealing my food. Now I'm gonna fight him here. This is a safe area. I'm gonna hand you this for a second so I can get the net.
You got that drag loose? If you take off? Oh, I think keep your head up. I don't know if he on the island. I don't. Catfish?
Yep.
Hold on. He got hook on something? No, that's a buff.
It's a buff.
That's a buff. That's a buff.
He was swimming at me.
Yeah.
I couldn't feel him.
Yeah. 2 back to back.
Move that pod too. Yeah, we need to switch. You need to be up here on this flap. I definitely did not come here to take all your fish.
Hey.
Is that a carp?
It's a buff, baby.
I got a problem. I got a fish in the net.
Nah, we good. Oh, hold on. hold on. Ta-da.
Back filming.
That's how it's done, guys. Oh, let me get my rock back. Open that one to the right. Yeah, that one. Oh, yeah.
That one's going